Hey there, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be using bay leaves. I know it is not a common herb, yes, but when it comes to skin it has amazing effective benefits. Bay leaves are used for treating topical acne and they are great at reducing puffiness in the skin without causing loss of moisture. They are great at rejuvenating and moisturizing your skin. They have excellent antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties in them. Yes, so they are the best natural care ingredient when it comes to treating acne because bacteria can build up in the sebaceous glands causing outbreaks. So in this video particularly, this is what we're gonna be doing. Just follow the process. So you will need a clean pan, place in your bay leaves, and you'll need a full glass of water. Yes, so we are going to be placing it on our gas or anything or charcoal stove or heater. Yes, so we need to boil it for 20 good minutes. Then after, we'll be also preparing our other ingredient. We are going to be adding in our lemon juice. Yeah, you know the benefits of lemon juice. They will help us get rid of the dead skin cells. They are naturally rich in vitamin C. Okay, so they also contain antioxidants which will also help to reduce skin damage and premature aging. So our bay leaves are done after 20 minutes. We are going to be preparing them. We will need a clean glass bowl or anything that you can put in your boiled bay leaves. So this bay leaf water, it has a lot of amazing benefits, leave alone skin, but also hair, treating teeth, yes, whitening your teeth. So we are going to be placing it somewhere until it cools down. Yes, so I also added in the leaves here because I'm going to cover it up. I want it to cool down as all the nutrients and minerals are absorbing in them. Okay, yeah, so the next thing you'll need a cotton pad. The reason why I'm using these cotton pads is because I'm going to be keeping it for over like 5 days. Yeah, so I just want to be maybe in the morning to just get one, apply it on my skin, and yeah, leave the rest of the day like that, even in the evening at the same time. But if you cannot afford to have these cotton balls, you just need to have a cotton ball, or you'll need to use your hands. Yeah, but don't make life hard. Yeah, so I'm going to be placing them in my clean bowl. Okay, yeah, so I'm going to be needing those that will take me for a week. Yeah, so the reason why we are doing this video is because I want you to know or to learn how to make your own toner at home that is effective to help you calm down acne and leave your skin without drying or flaking. Yeah, so bay leaves help to distress your skin, thus preventing the occurrence of wrinkles and skin outbreaks. This is also, they can also help you lighten your skin. So we added in another ingredient of honey. You know, honey is going to act as our moisturizer. It will leave us with that skin natural glow, and also it will help us fade away acne scars, and it also delays when it comes to skin aging. Yeah, so also it will help us lighten our skin and remove all the skin tags if you have them, or skin blemishes or hyperpigmentation. Yeah, so the next thing is we'll need to have a little bit of vitamin E in our toner to help us protect our skin from the UV sun rays and also keep our skin safe from all the diseases that may cause insensitivity. Yeah, so vitamin E is really great when it comes to applying it on your skin. It is safe for all skin types and it will also give you a natural glow. So we are going to be adding in our main ingredient here, the bay leaf water. Yes, so actually sometimes if you didn't know that you can also make bay leaf tea, it has a lot of benefits when it comes to your health. So I'm going to add in 12 teaspoons of bay leaf water. Yes, so after I'm going to be mixing them very well, very well. Guys, I've been using this for like 3 weeks. Yes, and I really love the results of my skin. Yeah, that's why I always apply these ingredients on my skin, so that you can trust the process. So after mixing them very well, I'm going to get my cotton buds, then I pour it in here. I wanted to get a container, but I'm still looking for it, the one which can really help me keep my cotton buds very well. Trust me, when you have this process, you just need to keep this in your refrigerator, and whenever you want to get one, you just go grab one, apply it on your skin, and you place it back for 5 days. Trust me, yeah, it is actually even time saving. Yeah, so after here, you will just need to cover it up, but remember, when you are using this water, you have to wait it to cool down, then you add in your lemon and honey. So basically, we have our wet, soft, moist cotton buds. So the only thing here is, when you get one, you just cover it up and you replace it back in your refrigerator. Then you start applying it on your skin. You can leave it transnight, yes, or if it's during day in the morning you're going to work, you can leave it for like 30-25 minutes, then you wash it off, you apply your moisturizer. But best time to use it, I normally prefer using it at night, so that I can get all the benefits in this toner. Yeah, so basically that is it. Don't forget, it is simple to do by yourself, and it is safe from all the side effects.